jump and kill me. That's a,
You got 5 pallets of 3 boxes.
okay.
The one in the Gaylord is pretty heavy.
Motherfucker, I don't
So
have
I
a knife.
I cut it.
Oh, look
So
at
you
you,
can
got
just
the,
stick your hand in there.
okay,
You
you,
just stand it.
look at you got the little thing, blue thing,
Yeah.
what is that, Bluetooth? Bluetooth. Okay, I need to get me Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Which one is it? I'll know which one to get at Best Buy.
I get it off Amazon. See, it's connected. And then I go to...
So it's not the little thing that you know how the old people wear, the little thing that,
How much?
just the little thing on one ear?
Because they're listening. So,
Who's listening?
the camera.
They are?
Yeah.
So they heard what I said?
Yeah.
What the hell?
But it's... They get notifications. They don't watch them all.
Okay.
They only watch if something happens.
Okay, I need to go. I got a minute.
You got a minute. You
Shit,
better
what's
take a
that?
shit.
Wow!
Whoa! Oh my word! Insurance purposes.
What the hell?
Insurance purposes. You can't get in
That's
here.
right. Insurance! No, stop! Insurance! See you assholes, so 5 and 3, 5 and 3.
Hey, there's two in the Gaylord.
See you.
Hey,
Hey!
there's 2 in the Gaylord. They just came off a pallet. They don't have their own scan.
Okay, it's 3 in the Gaylord and 5 pallets.
Yes.
Okay, I need to go
took
in.
2 of them out.
See,
You'll
she's
find
probably
it.
here. She's probably looking.